Do you want to clean your block drippers that too organically? Are you fearful that your standing crop will be damaged by using strong acids like sulfuric and hydrochloric acid? Your plant's development is uneven as they are not getting uniform water and fertilizer. You need to use Utkarsh drip sap in which bacteria is present along with polymers and adjuvants which solubilizes the insoluble salt and cleans stripper which are blocked due to insoluble salt, bacteria, fungal slimes, mineral deposits or algae with no harmful effects. 1 to 2 liter per acre of the drip sap should be mixed with 100 liter of water and inject into the lateral through the venturi system and leave for 48 hours. Then flush the drip line. Open the end cap of lateral and sub main flush valve. Thereafter, drip is ready for usage. Repeat monthly once for best result. Drip sap is completely safe for the drip system, accessories, plants, soil, and the ecosystem.